have a package. I'm so excited for this. Not really. I mean, like, the things I got, yeah, they're cute, but, like, I don't know. This package just isn't super exciting to me, at least. Okay, so this is from Shein. So I got some sweatpants. I need to try them on, obviously. I got sweatpants because, like, I basically don't have any, and, like, it's gonna be fall, and I want my outfit to look cute. So I got sweatpants. What is this? Oh, I think I got candles for my birthday because it should be. Oh, ah! I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me grab the other one. I got other clothes, but actually, let me show you these earrings that I have on right now. Yes, but I got them for Hector because he said he really likes these. So I was like, you know what? Might as well get them for him. They were like $1, so. Okay, this is the other one. I'm so glad I found these. They're freaking adorable. Are you guys ready? I don't think you guys are ready. Ready? Set? Sorry. These are them. Look, it matches my rings. Ah! I'm turning 19, guys. But aren't they so fucking cute? Like, oh my god. Hello Kitty candles. Are you kidding me? This is how I feel. Sorry. Ew! There is sweat dripping down my boot. It's that freaking hot. What the? Oh, I got a skirt! Ah! I got a fluffy skirt, chat. Oh my god, I'm wearing this for my birthday. Oh my god, I'm gonna wear it. Oh my god. I hope this fits me. Oh my god. Uh-oh. Well, my waist is quite small, so it might fit a little tight. Unless I lose weight. And then I saved the best for last. The cutest freaking off-shoulder shirt, like long sleeves. And I got it in like a cream color because why not, you know? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to wear this. I can't wait to like buy more cute clothes. I can finally feel cute. So I got this jean thing where you like put it in the jeans and then you like, so it's like tighter, you know, like instead of like sewing it, you can just clip that together and boom, it fits. And then, oh my god, I'm so excited. Hello Kitty pins. Although they are just like black, but like I'm wearing these to work. I'm gonna show these off at work. Best believe. I'll be like, guys, look at my new pens. They're so cute. And I'm pretty sure that's everything. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's like 8 items, counting like these 2 separately. All right. I'll see you when I see you. It is so... It's so hot in my car right now. It's so hot outside, my boogers are running. Okay guys, I am going to be trying on my clothes now. Yippee! Give me just a second so I can try these bitches on, because I am so excited. Let's start with the beige top. So it is a bit see-through, but I think it's cute, right? Hold on. I didn't fix it right. It's supposed to be off shoulder and I haven't even put it off shoulder. I need to get like a real bra or something because I only wear sports bras. So like, I can just wear this without one, but I don't know if it'll look cute, you know? Okay, that's the shirt. I think I'm gonna try on the sweats next. Alrighty, so this is them on. Ugh, I just hate that you can see my chones, but obviously they're sweats, but they're supposed to fold over like this. The bottoms are cute, they're really flowy, and the material is soft. And wait, never mind. I was gonna say it's seamless right here, but it's not. There is a little seam, but you can barely tell it's even there, so that's pretty cool. I probably should have tried this clothes on before I ate, cause I'm bloated now. Lol. Time for the skirt. Okay, so this is the skirt on, and it does fit me apretado. As you can tell, my long hair's coming out, but womp womp. You know, I could always just lose weight and it'll fit me good, but to have it, if I were to stay the same weight that I am, or just stay how I am, you know, now, like my body, the skirt would fit me short, because if I bend over just a little bit, bam, you can see a little bit of my nalgas. But I think I could just wear it like this, to be honest, because my gosh, it's so cute. It has no built-in shorts, sadly. You can see my chones, but it's totally fine because I could always just wear shorts under if I like. But this might be like the cutest skirt I'll ever own because I like how fluffy it is. Yippee! And my shoulder things went up. I didn't even realize. I'm not used to wearing off the shoulder stuff. I like how flowy it is though. Look. There's a big ass mess right there, but it's totally fine. That's everything. I'm not sure if I'm going to be filming more, so this might be the end of the video. Thanks for watching, whoever you are. I'm listening to Wave to Earth right now. Live, laugh, laugh. Bye. This looks so silly.